Ka Donbosco Youth Center Laim Kra Shillong ka lapalong ya ka photography exhibition ka balatip kum ka life in frames balapanyat de ki khana Pule jong ka photography course ha ka khat phra tarik unaitung arjar arpusan. Kajing temu jogani ke exhibition ka longban penchlori ki khana Pule begin yo pen I yala ki sap ki phong begi don bat banang penchlori ya ki begin nang pentebet syu ha ki kam begi trei ni ki sngotenat. Kani ke exhibition kawan ra ru ikilat kelinti ya ki khana begin sngoth ho ya ka rukam shon ya ki dor ha ki rukam bapher ni ki jing shem jongki ha ka jing pen ring dor ha ki rukam ki be itana.
Bahkan ni kebanyakan dah dapat tulis dalam komba edit kan, komba download lah, ada dapat tulis kai. They will handle so many jobs. They are taking all the job opportunities. So that's why you also challenge yourself, make yourself better person, excellence all the work that you do. We may not have the opportunity to get a job. So that's why strive for excellence. Okay? That being said, once again, congratulations and continue to do your best.
Get all the things.